guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So from a very long time I was planning not to make this video, but now I'm making this video as I myself am getting obsessed of these videos and I binge watch such series of trying out viral hacks, and I think you all must be knowing about this video, but then also let me just explain it. So in today's video I'll be just randomly picking up some viral hacks from 5-minute crafts and I'll be checking them out that whether it works or not. And 5-minute craft is one of the biggest craft channel across the globe, and the content they put up is so addictive and so good that if they properly work, then it can easily sort anyone's life out. So yeah, we'll be checking out some hacks in today's video, and if you enjoyed, then don't forget to hit like and please subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. The first hack looks extremely interesting, in which the girl just wore a loose sa purana sa t-shirt and made a long slit in the center. Oh, crazy. And then styled it in a different way and it turned out really cool. And I really don't think so, and I feel like that this won't be as practical as it is shown in this video. Let's just check this out. So this is मेरा पुराना सा t-shirt जो आज sacrifice होगा इस video के कारण, and ये scissor है and these stunts are performed under expert supervision. Ah. Oh god. I don't know why the girl was cutting it with more ease, but I'm not feeling like that. So this is the cutout part, and मेरे लिए काटना was a very big struggle, and yeah, it was then dumped here, and this part was dumped here. Okay, so this is looking cool, but somewhere like it's not that practical. You can't go this way. You have to at least you have to hem it, or yeah, it's looking cool. So the first hack was a big thumbs up from my side. If I would have to rate it, then I would definitely give it a 4.5 out of 5. And moving on to the next hack. The next hack is to make your shirt look a little more trendy. This look very simple. The girl has taken one side of her shirt and made it pass through the space between the last two buttons, and she did the same with the other side as well, and the plain shirt completely transformed into a properly neatly knotted shirt. तो ठीक है, देखते हैं ये कैसा work करता है या नहीं. So we have to take this end and we have to make it pass through this slit, and the same with this side too. I don't think it's looking that neat. From my side, it's a complete thumb down. I would rather tie a knot than doing this. Moving on to the next hack, which is a hairstyle hack, in which the girl is rotating her hair around the stole, keeping her hair in center parting, and made a tight knot kind of, or maybe she has fixed it with a pin, and this turned into a beautiful hairstyle. Now we will check this out whether it works or whether it looks that beautiful or not. So here's my polka dot wala stole. Now I'll rotate my hair strand. And I think I need to fix it with a hair tie. Then only I'll be able to do the same for the other hair stand too. Oh, 90s वाली actress वाली vibes. This hairstyle is actually looking cute, but किसी का face अगर oval या circular है properly तो उसके face पे बहुत ज़्यादा cute लगेगा. But this is giving more like a Cinderella kind of age वाले vibes, and yeah, I'm loving it. The next hack is really easy, and this one is to remove fuzz balls जो पुराने कपड़ों में आ जाते हैं balls, and the person just added a thin blade sort of parallelly to a comb and just combed the cloth out, and this made it remove all the fuzz balls, and that's quite interesting. I'm eager to check this out, and I have fixed this particular blade in this comb, and I think this will work. तो ये है मेरा sweater जिसपे थोड़े बहुत fuzz balls आ रहे हैं. Now I'll just remove it. this hack actually worked, and I'm quite surprised and excited too, and I'll definitely let my mom know about it. And yeah, I think everyone should let their mom know about this hack. The next hack looks a little tough for me. The girl just made a part of the hair donut using a scissor and rotated one part of the bangs onto it and that turned into a decent poof hairstyle. This is quite weird. Let's just check this out. I've already made a part of my hair donut. ये कुछ ऐसे था और अब ये कुछ ऐसे है. And now I'll take some strands of my hairs. This is the puff. This looks good and this looks neat at the same time. Thumbs up from my side. The next hack is again a hairstyle hack, and this is a beautiful textured hairstyle using a pen or a pencil. The girl just overlapped hair strands using the pencil and tied it in a low ponytail, and that looked actually good. Let's just check this out. I'll be using this eyeliner, Maybelline eyeliner, as a pencil here. We'll fix it with a bobby pin. This is a average looking hairstyle, and I use a little bit of my fingers too, but the girl wasn't using her fingers at all. She was doing that with a pencil only. But yeah, this turned out good. 3 out of 5. The next hack is to make a sharp eye makeup look like that of Shraddha Kapoor from Street Dancer 3, that look. The girl just fixed a U-pin on her nose and made a point to make a detailed sharp eye makeup look. And this one looks a little, tricky, and it has to be done really carefully. I'm a bit scared, and let's just check this out. There's the U-pin. I'll fix it on my nose. Quite pokey, but yeah. So this is the eye makeup look, and I'm not at all impressed. Even I'm disappointed. अभी तो भूत भी डर जाए मेरे से. And this hack will be useful अगर आप Halloween makeup करो. This is more like a Halloween eye makeup look. The last hack was so disappointing that I got angry and removed all of my makeup, as the next hack itself has to be done without the lipstick on. So the next hack is really simple and could be helpful in this Vasant ka mausam to remove the dead peeled skin from your lips. The girl just took a cotton ball and dropped aloe vera gel on it and pasted it on her lips and left it for 5 minutes. And after then, in the results, the lips looks extremely pink and soft. And yeah, let's just check this out. Although my lips are not that dry, but still, let's check this out. Here's my cotton ball sort of, and my aloe vera gel. So I have properly removed the aloe vera gel from my lips, and I'm actually feeling a little better than earlier. Yeah, it's actually soft and supple sort of. Completely thumbs up for this hack. In the next hack, it is shown as to how you can remove blackheads and whiteheads from around the nose, sides of the nose. They just mixed the white part of the egg and mixed honey with it, and then they just dipped a plain white sheet of paper and made it stick onto the nose and left it for 5-7 minutes जब तक सूख जाए, and removed it with blackheads free nose. Let's just check this out. अगर ये useful रहा तो ये बहुत सारी चीज़ों को sorted कर देगा, क्योंकि we are really concerned about blackheads around our nose. तो ये रहा egg. Here's my bowl, and I've already taken out the white part of the egg, and now we'll mix honey into it. This is the mixture and this is the sheet of the paper. And now I'll dip it in properly. ये थोड़ा सा yuck हो रहा है, but still. This is actually smelling bad. Let's wait. तो ये अच्छे से सूख चुका है और ये बहुत बुरा स्मेल कर रहा है. ऐसे तो मेरे ज़्यादा blackheads थे नहीं, but then also I found this hack somewhere helpful, moderately helpful. अगर आपके properly बहुत सारे blackheads हैं तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा helpful होगा. And yeah, thumbs up, 3.5 out of 5. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. It was fun shooting this video and I got to know new things. कुछ तो drab भी थे, कुछ trash भी थे, but then also I enjoyed shooting this video and it was my first time of this particular series. If you enjoyed, then let me know so that I can extend this series to another level. And if you enjoyed, then don't forget to hit like, share and please subscribe to this channel, and let's make it to 5k really quickly. And I believe you people that you're gonna make it 5k extremely soon and I'm eagerly waiting for that. I pyaar you guys. Bye bye.